Let's see how to automatically apply formatting to other things in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that you want to copy the format of this heading right here and apply it to the other headings in your document. So that includes heading number 2 and heading number 3 right here. So there are many ways that you can do this. First off, you can simply manually highlight your heading number 2 and heading number 3 and go ahead and copy the formatting of heading number 1. So that's going to be bold and italicized. However, that may be a bit too much of a hassle, especially when you're working with longer documents. So instead, what we can do to instantly change all the format of these headings is first off, highlight heading number 1. Now go ahead and click on Format Painter right here on the Home tab. Click on Format Painter twice. Now go ahead and highlight your headings or whatever you want to apply your formatting to. So for example, if you highlight heading number 2, you'll see that it is now the same format as heading number 1. And let's do the same for heading number 3, and that should do the trick. And this applies to any portion in your document. So for example, let's turn off Format Painter. Now let's go ahead and copy the format of this one right here. And let's say we want to return heading number 3 to the same format as this one. So let's go ahead and click on Format Painter again and highlight heading number 3. And as you can see, that is now in the same format as our previously highlighted text. And that is how you can automatically apply formatting to different things in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.